Hello, little explorers. Today we're going to discover a very special natural phenomenon earthquakes. Why does the ground shake? What is happening beneath our feet? Let's find out together. Did you know that our Earth has four main layers? From the inside out, we have the inner core, the outer core, the mantle, and the Earth's crust. And guess what? Earthquakes happen in the crust. Beneath the ground, there are huge plates called tectonic plates. When these plates move and collide, they create powerful shaking, and that's an earthquake. Not every place on Earth experiences a lot of earthquakes. Areas near the edges of tectonic plates, like Japan, Indonesia, and California, have stronger and more frequent earthquakes. What should you do to stay safe during an earthquake? Remember these three important steps. 1. Drop down to stay balanced. 2. Cover your head with your hands or get under a table. 3. Hold on until the shaking stops. If an earthquake happens under the ocean, it can cause huge tsunamis. These massive waves move very fast and can be dangerous for coastal areas. Now you know why earthquakes happen. Have you ever felt an earthquake before? Share your experience in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to explore more amazing facts about our world.